How to create a photo collage on Facebook story. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can do exactly that. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you're going to have to open up your Facebook application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in order to create a new story, you'll find this create story option. Just tap on the plus icon right here. So what usually happens is if you select just one image like this, it would only create a one photo and you won't be able to do anything else. But if you head over to stickers, you might be able to add photo from here. But if you're not able to do that, then what you're going to have to do is click on select multiple. Once you do that, just select the images that you want to create on a photo collage and then tap on next. Then you'll get three options. You can post them on separate storage, create a clip mashup, and right in between you have the photo collage option. Tap on that and it will automatically stack up these three images on one story. You can adjust their size, you can add different stickers, and now you've successfully created a photo collage on your Facebook story. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.